All right, my favorite part of the show is here. She works hard, saving money. I love this. We go and search hashtag of She Works Hard, Saving Money and get to celebrate you guys and what you're saving up for. Melissa P says, my first Nikon SLR camera paid in full, cash at Target. Mary S said, wrote a check and walked out of there. The car is mine. Mary S, you say that for a whole car, girl. I love it. A Life with Friends. We just walked out of the Apple store with 2 brand new phones that we waited, saved, and paid cash for. Turns out spending money when you actually have it is so fun. Allison M said, I finished paying Sally Mae back. Student loans, gone. Made my final payment first thing this morning. Just one little debt left to pay. I'm so close, people. Cash is king, baby. Yay, I did it without any loans. You guys are awesome. I love it so much. So remember, take pictures of what you're saving up for, what you have, and use hashtag She Works Hard, Saving Money. You guys continue on working hard on staying on budget and paying off debt. Do not take your foot off the gas, even though it is summer. So thanks so much for watching this show, and thanks to our guests, Marlon, Elijah, and Kylie. And make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook, because in 2 weeks, we are going to continue on with our summer budgeting theme and talk about you and your spouse. And remember to take control of your money and create a life you love.